To copy the small basic code from this coding space over here into another program like Word or Notepad, all you have to do is select the code either by using a mouse, or you can press Control and A. That selects everything inside the coding space. Alternatively, you can go to the beginning of the first line, press and hold down the Shift key, and use the page down key or the down arrow key and highlight everything. Once you have selected everything, all of the lines, then you can click on copy. You can also use the shortcut key Control plus C to copy it. After you've copied the code, open another text editor like Word, WordPad, or Notepad and simply paste the code into your document. You can use the shortcut key like Control plus V, V for victory, or you can use one of the paste functions on the toolbar.